Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Audi Q5 hybrid. First, locate the charging port, usually on the rear fender. You'll use a Type 2 connector for alternating current charging. Charging your Q5 hybrid is straightforward, whether you're at home or using a public station. Understanding the basics ensures you always have power for your electric range. Let's dive into the different charging options available to you. There are two main ways to charge your Audi Q5 hybrid. Level 1 charging uses a standard household outlet, offering convenience for overnight charging. For much faster charging, Level 2 is your best bet, utilizing a 240-volt connection. This significantly reduces charging time, making it ideal for daily use. While direct current fast chargers exist, they are generally not designed for plug-in hybrids like the Q5. Choose the method that best fits your schedule. To get the most out of your Audi Q5 hybrid, consider these tips. Regular charging helps maintain optimal battery health and ensures you always have electric range available. It's best to avoid letting the battery completely run out before plugging in again. Also, preconditioning your car's cabin while it's still plugged in uses grid power instead of your battery, saving energy for your drive. These small habits make a big difference. Proper care of your charging equipment is crucial for safety and longevity. Always ensure your charging cables are clean and free from any damage before use. Store your charging equipment in a dry, secure place to protect it from the elements. Remember, a well-maintained system ensures reliable charging every time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.